Welcome to our video on how to make honey mead, a delicious and ancient alcoholic beverage made from honey, water, and yeast. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 3 pounds of honey, 1 gallon of water, 1 package of wine yeast, 1 orange, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 gallon glass jug with airlock, funnel, saucepan. Step 1. Heat the honey in a saucepan over low heat until it becomes thin and runny. Be sure not to boil it. Step 2. Add a gallon of water to the saucepan and stir until the honey is completely dissolved. Step 3. Pour the honey water mixture into the gallon jug using a funnel. Step 4. Add a package of wine yeast to the jug and give it a good shake to mix everything up. Step 5. Add 1 peeled orange and 1 cinnamon stick to the jug for flavor. Step 6. Close the jug with an airlock to let gases escape without letting any air in. Step 7. Store the jug in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks. Check on it occasionally to ensure the airlock is functioning properly. Step 8. After 2 weeks, your mead should be ready. Pour it into a glass and enjoy the sweet taste of honey mead. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tips.